cinematic videos on YouTube and cinematic travel videos on YouTube. That is the most abused and misused term according to me in these days. Everything which is in slow motion and it has a little high contrast and some ambience music, and that is called cinematic. Cinema is not about slow motion background music. So but yeah, I would say those are professional looking videos, cinematographic videos, not cinematic videos. I guess that is the wrong term for me at least. And today we will talk about how to make cinematic videos within a budget. And budget, I mean budget of equipments, because it is really expensive. Cinema is an expensive hobby, and you need to buy a good camera, then you need batteries, then you need memory cards, then you need rigs, jibs, and a lot of things. Then you have to learn everything. When you get ready, then the year changes and something new comes and everything is out of date. When we are talking about cinematic videos, we need three things. First is camera, which will be our mobile phone. Second is sound, which will be our mic. And third will be the gears we need to perform cinematic action, so-called cinematic action. For creating a cinematic video, you really need a good smartphone, and obviously iPhone is a really good choice, but it is out of budget for many of the people. And if you're living in India, then you have to pay every gadget. I'm not talking about only Apple's gadget. Every gadget, $100 or $200 or 10,000 to 15,000 rupees extra. Everything is expensive in India due to some government policies and due to some, I don't know what mentality, that they think Indians have a lot of money than Americans, which is not true. Anyways, so first thing I bought, and I would really recommend, buy a Samsung phone according to your budget. It is Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and I bought it intentionally. I could bought Galaxy Note 20 or some other phone, but I bought it intentionally because of my preferences to make videos for the phone. And obviously I'm shooting for another phone. I have that phone also, that is Galaxy M30s. And because why I'm using Samsung, because it has really good quality of videos. There are a lot of good Android phones which can make good photographs, but for video, this is Samsung has Edge S Pen or a stylus with it. That is really helpful when you want to edit videos. So I bought this. It can shoot up to 4K, and it can shoot on 60 FPS, and full HD it can shoot 120 frame per second. So that is more than enough for making any YouTube video. Or if you think that you will shoot a short film on your mobile phone and it will go on Netflix, that is not going to happen. Sorry to break your heart, but that is not going to happen. So be realistic. Have this phone, and it is like 30,000 in India. I guess it will be like $250 or $300 or maybe $350 abroad, something like that. Second thing, which is most of the people will say that you need a mic. You will need a mic for blogs and other setups. But second thing, if you are really willing to make cinematic videos, then you need a gimbal. This is Osmo 3. And there is Osmo 4 in market, and that is really better. That is really convenient. But we have Osmo 3. I told you, it is really expensive hobby. You buy something and next year something better comes. So this is Osmo 3. We have this, and we are truly satisfied with this result. And gimbal will be more useful than tripod, because you can buy a cheap tripod or monopod, and you can, or light stand even, and you can fix gimbal upon that, and that will work well. But you need gimbal for motion, and you need for slow motion, and what they call inception shots and dolly shots and everything. You need a gimbal. That is the first thing you should buy after your phone if you want to make good travel or cinematic videos or something like that. Third thing you need, and the Osmo gimbal also works as a power bank. So it is additional benefit if you are on the go, and if you are shooting, it also works as a power bank. And third thing is tripod. I have better tripods, but I was traveling around the rural India and I needed a tripod badly. I did not have my tripod with me, so I bought it for 500 rupees, like $60-70 if you quote in dollars. So this is really cheap, but it can hold my mobile phone, and something is better than nothing. So tripod I need. After that, if you even have a budget, then go for the mic. And this is the mic I am using. This is Rode Wireless Go. Most of you have seen it. Every YouTuber is using. Wireless Go 2 has arrived. It is not still available in India, but that is much better and really really good mic. So if you are buying now, then you should go for Rode Wireless Go 2, not the Wireless Go original version. And that is, it has two transmitter, and even you can short film with two characters talking each other without any post production in sound, and without going to studio for sound dubbing. You can shoot with sync sound. These 3 or 4 things are must have things you should have. Now we come on the post production stage, that is editing videos. This so-called cinematic videos you see on during this video, I have entirely shot them on my phone, this Galaxy phone, and a Note 10 Lite, and I have edited them on phone. And for shooting, I will suggest you should learn how to use Filmic Pro app, and that is really good app to have. It is paid app, but if you are smart enough, you can find a free version and free crack of that. But I will not tell you how to find that. If you are smart enough, you can find that. Be responsible for that. If it makes a problem in your phone, I am not responsible for that. Editing, again, there is a lot of apps, Power Director, InShot, and a lot of them have presets for color correction and everything. And if you want, I can make a video on editing and basic tips of related to shooting cinematic videos and everything. So how you feel about this video? Is it useful for you or not? You can tell me in comments, and please keep watching. I have come back after a long time, and I started this video saying that it is the cinematic is the most abusive term in YouTube filmmaking concept, and I will tell you that okay, so I have been going through a relationship which was quite abusive for me, and I cannot help in that. So okay, I'm back. One more tip: never add black bars in your post-production. Why? I will tell you in some other video. For now, thank you everyone for your love. Thank you.